Tonight's bedtime bird might be very quick. It's called the Dunnock tonight. Rather drab but distinctive little bird, note slender, thrush-like bill, not stout like superficially similar sparrows, blue-grey head sides, streaked back, usually seen as single or pairs, hopping on lawns or paths with distinctive shuffling gait, found in a variety of open shrubby and wooded habitats from low-peak heathland to parks, gardens and farmland with hedges. Undistinguished, slightly tiny, rambling song has an even warbled cadence, distinctive when learned. A Eurasian native introduced to New Zealand and a few surrounding islands. There is no cool facts about this, so let's move on to the sound. So listen carefully. Here it comes. Ooh, what's that? Ooh. I'm going to play it again. Whew. What have we got now? Who is making all that noise? Ooh. It was the Dunnock, tonight's bird. Now, tomorrow's bird is a little interesting. 1 second. So tomorrow's bird is about... Where is it? Oh no, this is taking very long, I'm sorry. Where is it? Ooh, the collared dove. This is going to be interesting. That's all for today. See you soon. Bye.